If you're encountering a TikTok error, video contains sensitive content, you can try the following solutions. Here are some steps you should follow to fix the TikTok error. Video contains sensitive content. 1. Review your video content. Carefully review your video content to ensure it doesn't violate TikTok's community guidelines, which prohibit posting videos that include violent or graphic content. This includes videos that depict or promote violence, gore, or excessive bodily harm, sexually explicit or suggestive content. This includes videos that are pornographic in nature or exploit, abuse, or endanger children, content that promotes or encourages harmful activities. This includes videos that promote or encourage self-harm, drug abuse, illegal activities, or dangerous challenges, content that promotes hatred or discrimination. This includes videos that promote violence, hatred, or discrimination against individuals or groups based on their race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics. 2. Remove any sensitive content. If you find any sensitive content in your video, such as violent scenes, sexually suggestive material, or promotion of harmful activities, remove them before re-uploading the video. 3. Edit your video to add warnings or disclaimers. If your video contains potentially sensitive content without clear warnings or disclaimers, edit the video to add appropriate warnings and disclaimers. This could involve adding text overlays, voiceovers, or other visual cues to inform viewers about the nature of the content. 4. Appeal the error to TikTok. If you believe that your video was incorrectly flagged for containing sensitive content, you can appeal the error to TikTok. To do this, go to your video's Insights page and tap the Appeal button. 5. Contact TikTok support. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing the error, contact TikTok support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting the video contains sensitive content error. Be mindful of the content you upload. Avoid posting videos that depict or promote violence, gore, sexually explicit content, or harmful activities. Provide clear warnings or disclaimers. If your video contains potentially sensitive content, add clear warnings or disclaimers to inform viewers about the nature of the content. Use TikTok sensitivity filters. TikTok provides sensitivity filters that can help you identify and remove potentially sensitive content from your videos before uploading them. Report sensitive content. If you see sensitive content on TikTok, report it immediately to the platform. This helps TikTok identify and remove sensitive content from the platform. Follow TikTok's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's community guidelines to ensure your videos comply with their policies. By following these guidelines and creating responsible, respectful, and appropriate content, you can minimize the risk of encountering the video contains sensitive content error and contribute to a more positive and inclusive TikTok community. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Texor for more videos.